Hello and welcome to Making Shiz. I'm Tez. So I just finished watching the last episode, the finale episode of Lord of the Rings. Now this gives me an idea. I would like to make the Ring of Power. I've seen one decent one on YouTube, and that was with laser engraver, actual gold, and a lathe, a metal lathe, none of which I have. So I'm gonna use my Dremel. I've never worked with metal before, so this is gonna be a bit of a challenge. I've got some little test ones. Obviously that's not gold. Got brass. That gives me a little thing, so I'm gonna cut that down, try and file off these edges. So yeah, this is going to be a work in progress. This is to show you guys if I make a mistake, then you can do it yourselves. Got an itchy nose? Let's get on with it. First things first, I'm going to chop this down into a circle shape. Hello and welcome to the coldest place on earth. It is absolutely freezing in here. So a little update before I go on. I've shaped it best I can. It's not exactly even, but I'm hoping some sanding will sort that out. So to make them rounded edges, I am going to put my ring onto a Dremel sanding bit, wrap it around with some electrical tape and poop it on there like that. Once it spins round and round and round it'll go, I'm going to sand it just like that. So kind of like that movement, hoping eventually to give me that nice rounded shape. So this is the prototype ring. See, it's not in too bad shape. It's just a little practice. and that's come from a nut like this. Now you can see plenty of material to play with. So, 4mm-ish to play with. Now on these brass ones, you can see there's a lot more thinner. So I'm a bit worried it's going to affect getting a rounded shape. I think I'm going to try this one. So we're back at this point again. It's nice and shiny. It's a couple little marks in there, but I'm going to engrave over them. Yeah, let's try this one. So I'm going to make a line down the middle for writing to sit on, and then I'm going to write it in pen, get my magnifying glass out and engrave it from there. So let's see how that goes. So this is the challenge, getting this script onto that ring. So I've marked where the, like this little part, that seems to be a consistent line going along with the, like the zoom, there we go. So the little flicks of the writing, so I've done a line all the way along there because they're pretty consistent. Now I'm going to use my little gizmo I got from the range, sit that in there somehow and draw this lettering on. So I'm not 100% happy with the engraving, but I did the best I can. What I might do is pop some resin in it now and then do a final cleanup of sanding rather than doing it twice. So sanding it now and then putting the resin in. So let's mix up some resin and, well, that's easy for me to say. Let's mix up some resin and dab that in there and see how that goes. So guys, the project is done and finished. It's not quite Mordor on here, but I'm pretty happy with it. I really enjoyed making the ring. If you've got a Dremel, do it 100%. I just didn't like the engraving. I still haven't mastered that. Not 100% happy with it, but we live and learn. I hope you got something from this video. If you give it a go yourself, just even if you have a Dremel, have a go at making a ring. If you have a Dremel, have a go at engraving. And if you have some resin, get some UV glow in the dark stuff, because that's pretty cool as well. Yeah, as far as I know, this is the only metal hand engraved Lord of the Rings ring on YouTube. So thanks for stopping by. Again, all your support means the world. It's really hard to establish yourself on here, I'm finding. So clicking on this video means a lot. Okay, I'll see you next time with the next project.